Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antonio.
Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam ta kasngi. Ka Elekshon MDC kala jan baladon kamru ya ka pisa bar ki district council klas dang bun kam. Henry ka ba phala tam na ka ba phala palan ka de umintri rang ba ka jilla u Conrad ke sangma bo ne jingo ya ka Janti Hills Autonomous District Council min ha ka arpui turik kalaling kod arhajar arpsan but kalongru ka jing ai sngo bha jong ka Sorkar MDA ya ka JHADC hadu South Folklore Tingka hagasngi rakhi sunflies nem ka Meghalaya kum ka jilla bapura. Umintri rangba ka jilla Meghalaya u Conrad ke sangma ula IT ya ka South Folklore Tingka shaka JHADC kum ka Bai Boina na ka ba yoklum na udaw yong royalty share. Ya kani ka pisala pediang do Chief Executive Member CEM ka JHADC u Thambor Shiwan u balapan pau ka jing sngongo ya ka Sorkar jilla ka bala pelat ya ka jing yarap pisa ka bala don kambha. Kini ki pisa kin penla ya ka District Council ban penkhut ya ka tulap basa ateng jing inong trey jongka ka bakhat arbnai. Ha kini ka sngi ban IT kini ka kam la don lang ki mentri rangba ka jilla uba press tun tensong bot uba snyau bhalang dhar ringkat ki weipat ki he Sorkar.
Our respected Deputy Chief Minister in charge DCA, Mr. Song, Mandraganj, Sanjay Sangma, our respected CEM, all the EMs, MDCs, and the officials of the Janti Hills Autonomous District Council. First of all, of course, I would like, on behalf of my entire cabinet, to wish you all a very, very happy Meghalaya Day. We did not have this program. We did not think that we will come here, but we decided to come here because it would give us an opportunity to greet all of you on Meghalaya Day and meet all of you. And most importantly, on this very important occasion of the 53rd anniversary of Meghalaya Day, statehood. On behalf of all the cabinet colleagues out here, especially our Deputy Chief Minister, Mas Nyobalangdhar, and our Cabinet Minister, Ma Komeng, as well as our local MLA, Ma Waila, who have been continuously expressing their concerns about the challenges that the Janti Hills Autonomous District Council is facing in terms of finances, because of their continuous pressure and follow-up and their request that some support be given to the Janti Hills Autonomous District Council. I am happy that on this day of 21st of January 2025, marking the 53rd anniversary of our statehood, I'm happy that government of Meghalaya has sanctioned rupees 40 crores as an advance payment of share of royalty on the major mine minerals to the Janti Hills Autonomous District Council. I'm sure that these funds will help you to clear some of the backlog in terms of salaries and other expenditures. I would like to, at this moment, hand over this sanction letter to our respective CEM. So that is all from our side, and as I said, we have got other programs to